Welcome to our very messy house. Maglilinis na naman ako ng bahay.
Hey, you're wrong. You're doing something to me.
Hi! It's so cold. It's so cold outside. It's so cold outside. I think it will snow up. No? Ano? And want to buy my favorite bread. Dana sa Uto. Uto. And then we are going to Lidl. Not Lidl.
We're going to Lidl.
Then after that, we go to the municipality. Grabe, sobrang lamig. It's so cold outside. Hi guys! So, life update. Andito na ako sa Switzerland and then kanina, medyo naging busy kasi kailangan namin pumunta sa municipality ng Sorse and then sa migration and then sa municipal hall. So, yung nangyari, pumunta muna kami. Kagabi hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nga upo tayo. Kagabi na nakapag-vlog kasi super pagod ko na tapos sobrang lamig dito kaya hindi na ako naka-vlog. And then kaninang umaga pagising ko, breakfast lang kami and then pumunta kami sa may Sorse, sa may city mismo na Sorse, and then nag-choose kami ng date ng kasal kung kailan. So may date na kami and then after nan pumunta kami sa Lucerne, sa mismong sentro para sa migration, but sabi nila hindi daw doon magre-register, which is dapat magre-register ako dito sa municipality namin. So kasi 1 PM pa naman yung open nun. So nagpunta muna kami sa Otto, bumili kami ng mga kailangan namin like shampoo and lotion kasi doon lang yun nabibili. And then pumunta pala kami sa isang store which is may discount siya. Bumili kami ng beddings namin at saka ng pillow para meron kaming bago. Kasi yung dati dito kay Steven, it's like for double lang siya, like double size, something like that. So yung binili namin yung para talaga siya sa bed namin ngayon na malaki. So isahang lang siya. And then after that, nag-grocery sa Lidl, and then after that, pumunta na kami sa mismong municipal. And then nag-register ako doon as a resident here, but it's like I'm not yet a permanent resident cause magiging permanent lang ako pag nakasal na kami ni Steven. So binigyan ako ng ganito. Yan. It's like a welcome paper dito sa municipality namin. So this one, it's here. Pero ipapakita ko siya mamaya. Kailangan ko lang kasi maglinis. Welcome to our very messy house. Good morning, you guys. It's my second day here. Maglilinis na naman ako ng bahay kasi hindi pa siya tapos.
Doing something to me. I feel this buzz when I hear your name, and I feel so free. And yet you're tattered all over my brain. You're like perfection. Feel the connection. I want this so bad. I'm going out. I feel your head around. I feel feels this high. I feel like we could run.
We are building my side table. So that's how to build. Oh, you must put glue. I thought it's just like bolt.
I feel your hands around my heart. I feel it beating like a drum. Can you hear it? Can you hear it now? I feel your hands.
We are going to my friend's house. To Luella. Her name is Luella.
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay.
Me, I'll do it. You don't want
I'm
me.
the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo. Lead the muses like a Apollo. All the colors layered, kaleidoscope. Your sculpture of Bernini. Bridges that on Daphne turn and living into art. Life's illusion, you're the Mona Lisa. Masterpieces
Ganda
take a
talaga dito,
lifetime.
sis. Alam mo yung mag-i-emote-emote ka.
And
Pwede ka
patience
mag-ano
is a
dito kaya.
peerless craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush, feel the rush. You're painting Frida Kahlo. Lead the muses like a Apollo. All the colors layered, kaleidoscope. Your sculpture of Bernini. Rolling bridges that on Daphne turn living into art. Life's illusion, you're the Mona Lisa. La la la, la la la.
much is this? Oh. Hi, sis.
Learn that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay.
Yeah.
I'm the canvas
What
and
else?
the painter. The marble that I sculpt away.
That's the smallest, right?
Every stroke
This
of
one
brush with
is-
fingers touch is a rosy cheek
This
of
one
a
cannot
nostril.
fold.
Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak
Yeah.
crush. Is a rush. Feel the rush. You're a painting free to color.
Yeah. I think it will get kaput for in the long run. This one. Vivo Costa. Brighton. Brighton. Yeah. Mostly does.
Max 150.
Oh, you cannot. I'm not 150. I'm just.
Here, 300. Better for you.
How come? I only 50 kilogram. That one is more heavy. This one I can just.
Every stroke of a brush,